Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Wealthfront portfolio for retirement planning. Wealthfront is a popular robo-advisor that offers low-cost and efficient investment management services. To get started, you need to sign up for a Wealthfront account and link your bank account to fund your investments. First, determine your retirement goals by considering factors such as your desired retirement age, expected expenses, and income sources. Wealthfront's retirement planning tool will help you set a target retirement date and calculate how much you need to save each month to reach your goal. Next, choose your investment portfolio from a range of low-cost index funds that align with your risk tolerance and investment horizon. Wealthfront's portfolio options include a tax-efficient mix of U.S. and international stocks, real estate, and bonds. Once you have selected your portfolio, Wealthfront will automatically diversify your investments and periodically rebalance your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your target allocation. You can also take advantage of Wealthfront's tax loss harvesting feature, which helps minimize taxes by offsetting gains from investments that have appreciated with losses from those that have declined. To maximize your retirement savings, consider setting up automatic monthly transfers from your bank account to your Wealthfront portfolio. This will help you invest consistently and avoid emotional decisions based on market fluctuations. It is also essential to monitor and adjust your portfolio periodically to ensure it remains on track to meet your retirement goals. Wealthfront's mobile app and online platform provide real-time updates on your portfolio's performance and allow you to make adjustments as needed. In addition to its investment management services, Wealthfront also offers a range of retirement planning tools and resources, including a retirement calculator and educational content. These resources can help you make informed decisions about your retirement planning and ensure you are on track to meet your long-term goals. By following these steps and taking advantage of Wealthfront's low-cost and efficient investment management services, you can create a personalized retirement plan that helps you achieve your financial goals. Remember to start early, invest consistently, and be patient, as retirement planning is a long-term process that requires discipline and perseverance.